I promise you, I'm not making this up. I am definitely not making this up. This is going to be the 4th day I've tried to make this video. My bad, dog. My bad. Let's go. So all in my comments on my videos, in my emails, on the Discord, yo, all I'm seeing everywhere right now is everybody's talking about how goddamn slow it is. And I can tell you, yeah, I mean, the last couple of weeks I can't put in the hours out here like I normally would because it's wasted time. Like it is. It's starting to slow down. There are times where I was making, you know, damn good money, maybe 1-2 rides an hour, $40, $50 in the hour. Yeah, the last 2 weeks that's kind of slowed down. Now the regular times, you know, the hotspot times, the Fridays, the Saturdays, the Sundays, those are still good. But during the week, nah, bruh, it ain't there. It ain't there. So, because that's all I'm hearing and that's all I'm seeing, I'm going to do something next week. Y'all going to be the first to know. Come next Tuesday, we get in the Tesla. We're going to run that Tesla Monday through Friday. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. I'm going to come back and tell you why in a minute. So there's a number of reasons why. Number one, with the slowdown on XL, Lux Black, Lux Black XL, Uber Premier, with those slowing down in the rate that they are, I mean, listen, yo, I still got bills just like everybody else. And if I can't make my money, you know, hitting fewer rides in the same amount of time, maybe it's time to go back to grinding out. Now, somebody in the Discord asked me the other day, said, Vinny, you gonna grind? Listen, buddy, I used to be able to grind with the best of them. But I gotta admit, it's been solid 3 years, 3.5 years. So, you might ask, well, what's going on with my Cadillac CTS? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's 9 years old. The paint's starting to fade on it. It needs some engine work. And, you know, when I do all the math on it, you know, we're talking close to $500. And I own the car, it's paid off. But I don't know if I want to put that money into the car just to throw it on next driving a Caddy. I mean, that's an ego thing. But, you know, to me, it's, I don't know, it's just not worth it. So why do I come up with the Tesla? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rent the Tesla. We're going to start out with a 1-month rental. We're going to see what we can get going. It's going to be $411 plus charging every week. 100% of that rental is a write-off. So yes, I'm going to pay out the hind parts for the rental, but I'm going to get it all back in the form of a tax credit at the end of the year for taxes. So I don't look at that as too much of a negative. But here's the key. If I like it, if I see I can make money with it, we might go 2 months out on the rental, and then we'll look to buy one. Maybe new, maybe used, I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But when I'm looking at my cost and my return on investment, I know I'm going to have a goal, 200 to 250 a day, driving X, Comfort Electric, and I think I get Premier with Uber. I will not be able to drive Lyft at all. But I got to be honest, bro. Like, come on, y'all know. Lyft has been bending us over and taking advantage of us without our permission. Y'all know what I'm saying. You know, I'm trying to be nice about it. YouTube friendly. So yeah, that's the game plan. That's what we're gonna do. I've roughly figured it about $80 a day. First $80 every day is gonna go to that rental, which, don't get it twisted, bro. It's expensive. Like, it's expensive. But you're never gonna know till you try. I know a lot of people have tried. They've given them back. I know other people like Eddie, you know, who did the rental. Good money, good earner. $1,600 to $2,000 a week. Steven out in LA, Unbroken Driver, right? He owns his, does well. You know, and then I got other people in the garage I can depend on. I can use Kiara's strategies for Uber driving. I mean, listen, at the end of the day, I'm still going to get my money. I'm still going to earn. I'm just going to have to put in more hours. And instead of tearing up this truck, because I'm not going to put this on X, that's out, right? It's not worth it. And instead of putting another $5,000 into the caddy to get that ready, well, you know what? That gives me, what, 10 weeks? 10 weeks of a rental? By then I should have a good decision. Anyway, that's what I got. That's the announcement. That's the way it is. By the way, Monday through Friday on the Tesla, Saturday and Sunday back in Bumblebee. I ain't stupid. You know, I know there's good money to be made on the weekends in the caddy. So that's the deal. We'll see you next time. Peace out.